How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. Car was restored a few years back. Very nice car. Done in Tuxedo Black, black interior. Very nice little car. Real solid, all original panel car. See, the front bumper's all been replaced, and several of the moldings and trim around the grill. It's original grill. See, the car's real straight, slick down the sides. All the panel fitment on the car is real nice. See, the rear bumper and all the trim in the back's been replaced. Really nice. It's got the US mag ramblers on it, 17 up front, 18 out back. It's got a error correct 396 in it. Just a real mild cam in it. It's got a set of Edelbrock intake and dual quads, MSD ignition. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Nice detail under the hood. It's got an M21 Muncie 4-speed in it. A 12-bolt limited slip rear. Interior's all real nice. Looks like they replaced all the dash trim, original steering wheel and everything in it. Headliner's new, nice and tight. They had the seats done in the leather. Very nicely done, comfortable. Jams all look good in the car. I mean, although it looks like it's a true SS, it is a clone, but it was done correctly. It's got the 12 bolt and all the other upgrades. Nice trio, pair of gauges there under the dash. Tell you, I really like the way they did the seats. Go ahead and fire it up. Fires right up, runs beautiful. Tell you, the car drives out real nice. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds and the 2.5-inch duals out the back. Just good sounding, good driving car. It's just a good looking, fun car to drive. Car drives out great. I'd probably put 50 miles on it myself. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.